Want to seriously supercharge your Davinci Resolve workflow and make editing faster? First, let's make sure your system can actually use your Nvidia GPU. Open Davinci Resolve and navigate to the Davinci Resolve menu. Then click on Preferences. Inside Preferences, click on the System tab, then select GPU configuration. Here, you'll see a list of your installed GPUs. Make sure your Nvidia GPU is enabled. If you have multiple graphics cards, you can select which one Davinci Resolve should prioritize. Choose the one with the most processing power. Now, let's configure playback performance. Under the GPU configuration section, you can specify how Resolve uses the GPU for playback and other tasks by selecting the settings that work best on your computer setup. With the right settings, your Nvidia GPU will dramatically accelerate video editing performance. When ready, playback should be seamless and rendering much faster. Applying effects becomes lightning fast, and rendering your final video will take significantly less time. You have now fully applied Nvidia's amazing benefits in your Davinci Resolve. Happy editing! Don't forget to optimize your setup by experimenting to get the most from your Nvidia GPU.